talk to that guy. See where he is.
For Grace Haven and this building construction. God has opened up the way to the zoning permits and everything to get this built, and we've got a great team, and we just want this area to be used to forward the gospel through discipleship and mentoring for years to come as we invest in young people's life one-on-one. Thank you.
Here we are. There's the progress. Coming to town, going to town. Grace Haven. On the catwalk. Hey, how's it up there?
Pretty good. How about you?
Alright, good. Just don't drop that on me.
Yeah.
Thank you.